My name is Eleni. I'm your teacher of Spanish and I'm the creator of the SPAM method Speak, Practice, Apply. And today I will be teaching you the difference between verbs and reflexive verbs. In Spanish, reflexivos. Okay, so for instance, we have the verb levantar, which in Spanish means to lift. Levantas algo, you lift something. Now, when you conjugate it, it becomes levanto, levantas, levanta, levantamos, levantáis, levantan. Levanto la mano, okay? Now, if you want to turn this verb into reflexive, in Spanish, you add a pronoun. At the end of the infinitive, se. That se is conjugated and goes at the front in order to say, I get up, me levanto, okay? Te levantas, you get up. Se levanta, he, she gets up, or when you speak to somebody politely, usted se levanta, despacio, slowly. Nos levantamos, os levantáis, se levantan. We get up, you get up, they get up, okay? Now, you can do the same for many other verbs. For instance, we could use the verb lavar, which means wash, lavar. So if you want to say that you wash something, you're going to say lavo algo. Estoy lavando ahora algo. Lavo, lavas, lava, lavamos, laváis, lavan. If you want to say I wash myself, you just add again the pronoun, okay? And in the infinitive, this se, the pronoun. So you can say me lavo, I wash myself. Te lavas, se lava, nos lavamos, os laváis, se lavan. Let's choose a different one. Okay, you can use the verb bañar. So if you want to say that you give your kids a bath, baño a mis hijos. Baño, bañas, baña. Él baña al perro. Bañamos, bañáis, bañan. And if you want to say that you have a bath, you can use it in the reflexive form, bañarse. So you are going to say me baño, te bañas, se baña, nos bañamos, os bañáis, se bañan. They have a bath, se bañan, okay? Now, I think it's quite easy. Can you give me more examples? Mind you that this se is not only reflexive. In some cases, it can be added to change the meaning. For example, if you say dirigir and dirigirse, it's not the reflexive. Yo dirijo una empresa. It means that you are in charge of a company. But if you say, for example, me dirijo al banco, it means that you take the direction of that way, going to the bank, let's say. So it's different. The same goes to the verbs despedir, despedirse. So if you say, okay, despido a un empleado, it means you sack them, you fire them. But if you say, me despido de vosotros, you mean I say goodbye, okay, to you. Now, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you like my videos, remember, you can always repost, share, you can follow, and it helps me grow. Please do repost. Thank you. See you around.